Hi, ni hao, I'm Chef Tom. Last time we had this chicken. I mentioned gonna make slider or sandwiches. The chicken from the grilled chicken lettuce wrap. We have some left over. So I have this beautiful Italian sandwich bun. Voila. I'm gonna turn the heat really low. Super low. Like this. And then we are going to place the chicken in on top of the bun. This is just all about home cooking. Nothing fancy, but it will fill your stomach. Put on the top nicely. Think about this. If you have anything left over, steak, fish, pork, anything, especially little pieces of chicken like this, perfect to fill in there. Get them a nice amount. Let's finish up all this chicken. Nothing go to waste. What do you think? It's good? Okay. So now the skillet is kind of heated up. And then on top, you want to put some cheese. Any easy cheese, melted cheese. Like grilled cheese, cheddar cheese, Mountain Jack cheese. What other cheese? I know, not Parmesan. Something easy to melt. I think the cheese and protein really go well together. I don't know what's the name of this sandwich, but all I know is I cannot wait to dig in. This is all about cooking. Use your imagination. I have 600 over video on my channel. Please, anything you want to cook, search the engine first. Go to my channel first and look. So I got one more piece, right? One more piece. What I'm going to do, I'm going to give each one a little piece so they're happy. I already can feel the heat at the bottom here. It's pretty good. I'm lazy to turn on the oven. Just gonna put like that. I already can tell it's pretty warm. And this skillet is big. I don't know where the lid at, so I put this. Be careful, your pot is kind of a little hot. And one more piece. Cover up. Right here. This is Chef Tom cooking. Okay? And you can use a towel. Put a nice pat down. Okay. We're going to simmer, really simmer, for maybe 3-4 minutes until the cheese melt. Simple as that. Let you see. Yeah? Okay. Okay, 4 minutes. I think it's good. Yes. If the cheese is not melt, next time, or you can put it longer. I think that's good enough. And the chicken, by the way, is already nice and warm. I cooked it pretty hot earlier, so it's not cold. I think this is good. Now we're gonna take one out. It's pretty hot. Okay, I'm gonna use my cleaver. What can I do without my cleaver, right? So the cheese is melting. The bun is really crispy. So I had this foil, remember earlier? I used it, I cover up. My kid's not home yet, so I'm gonna put this just like that, cover up. Oh, so good, so yummy. I put it in the oven. Don't turn the oven on, just wrap it, put away. Keep it warm. It will warm like this for half an hour. They should be home about half an hour. And this one, I'm gonna eat. Beautiful, see? So healthy. So good. Mmm. Delicious. I hope you liked the video. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. I see you next time. Bye. Mmm.